Have you ever wondered what makes the Montessori method so unique and why it has gained immense popularity around the world? Let's dive in.
If you're looking for a different way to teach your children at home, then Montessori is a great option. But what is exactly Montessori method and why it has become the favored choice among parents and educators worldwide? So let's explore the essentials of Montessori method and elements that are contributing to its vast popularity. Before discovering more about the Montessori education, let's first talk about the founder of Montessori teaching method, Maria Montessori. But who was Maria Montessori? Maria Montessori was an Italian physician and educator best known for developing Montessori method of education. Her contributions revolutionized early childhood learning, making learning a more engaging and personalized experience. Today, Montessori schools worldwide continue to implement her principles and nurturing the potentials of countless children. Montessori education method developed by Dr. Maria Montessori in early 20th century. It is based on the belief that children learn best through their hands-on experiences and self-directed activities. The Montessori method emphasizes on child-led learning, allowing children to explore and learn in a ready-made setting at their own pace. Essential components of this method include encouraging independence and engaging in hands-on activities, both of which supports a child's innate curiosity and enjoyment of learning. In Montessori education, the prepared environment plays a crucial role. A structured, child-friendly environment is crucial for fostering independence and creativity in young learner. As a parent, your role is to be a guide and an observer and help nurture your child's natural curiosity. So let's have a look at the benefits of Montessori education. Montessori education helps develop independence and self-discipline in young learners. It teaches them how to be responsible for their own actions and decisions, encouraging them to think critically and problem solve on their own, fostering a sense of autonomy and self-reliance that will serve well them in the future. The Montessori education focus on the social-emotional development alongside the academics, providing opportunity to children to develop empathy, communication skills, and resilience. By offering hands-on experiences that bridge the gap between the theory and the practical, it prepares children to navigate to the complexities of adulthood with confidence and competence. By incorporating these pillars into the educational journey, we can empower children not only to excel academically but also thrive personally and professionally in an ever-changing world. Well, now that we know the benefits this education method offers, one question remains: why is the Montessori education method still popular today? Parents who practice Montessori principles and method at home have observed positive changes in their children, including me. I have been practicing Montessori at home for a couple of years now, and I can see how it benefits my children. This method offers great flexibility which anyone can easily adopt in their home setting. You can also adopt Montessori education whether you are a parent of a baby, toddler, preschooler, or a parent of elementary, middle, or even high schoolers. It caters to different age groups. You don't need to break the bank in order to implement or practice Montessori at home. With the right resources and guidance, you will be able to incorporate it easily in your home setting. Grab my free guide on how to set up Montessori at home step by step. I mentioned the link for the same in the description box below. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. See you soon.